If you want your desk setup to look cleaner and more premium without spending a lot, here are 5 budget upgrades worth checking out. A light bar instantly upgrades your setup. Something like the Canva's LED light bar gives you adjustable brightness, no screen glare, and that clean glow across your desk. A simple LED lamp can completely change the vibe of your workspace. The Lepro LED desk lamp gives you 5 color modes, 5 brightness levels, and a clean, modern look that fits almost any setup. This is a small upgrade that makes a big difference. The Trio extended mouse pad ties your whole setup together and gives everything a clean, organized base. You don't need an expensive keyboard to get a premium feel. The Royal Kludge RK61 has soft switches, subtle RGB, and a solid build for the price. Clean cables make the biggest difference in your setup. The ElevenLabs 192-piece cable management kit gives you sleeves, clips, straps, and ties, so you can organize everything under your desk without spending much. All the products are linked below if you want to check them out. This has been Tech Revu. Thanks for watching.